The Nigeria Army don't come outside. They can't tell us say they don't buy 20 ESN and also arrested 20 of them. As it be like this now, Simon Ekpa don't send message. Go give Nigeria military about Tunumbu contact them say that in no be push and go. Say nobody go fit push and down. He's fully prepared to make sure say he restore Biafra. My people, as it be like this now, you don't read everywhere. Don't yakata. I want to bring you this video where Dele Momodu and the other Yorubas are talking that there will be no 2027 election, that the one where we dey inside will never sure say we go survive them. That they talk about election again. The other one of them don't tell us say that the Igbos are the only ones that are going to change in Nigeria. Keeping on neglecting them, nothing is going to change in Nigeria. My people, we don't read. I'm going to play you the video of these Yorubas as they talk. Then before we come back, can continue. Stay tuned and watch the video.
Cannot be talking about an election in 2027 in the presence of the multiple madnesses that have remained with us, in the presence of a situation where a corrupt INEC chairman will open his mouth and blithely declare on national TV, go to court. We can't be having that and be talking about an election in 2027. We must at least be honest enough to tell ourselves what is in front of us. If there is going to be an election worthy of his name, I will be out there supporting Peter Obi. If there will be an election and if we still even have a country, the way Bulaba is going with Nigeria, what do we know that will be left of this country by 2027? What will be left of this country? An emir is being killed in his own domain after ransom war. And we are talking about 2027. An Oba was killed. 2 Obas, for instance, were killed in Ekiti for the other time. And we are still talking about 2027. You practically don't have a functional state again. Somebody is single-handedly, without recourse to any due process, the due process law be damned, the PPP law be damned, single-handedly without public tender of any sort, be awarding a road at 4 billion naira per kilometer. And you are still talking about a country. Why are we lying to ourselves? We must, even if they will not agree, we must be unapologetic in telling this truth.
How can anybody say an Igbo man cannot be president of Nigeria and I will accept it? Then it shows how brainless I am. If I'm the president of Nigeria today, I would have turned southeast Nigeria into the hub, our own Silicon Valley. These are people endowed. They are as brilliant as the Chinese, the Koreans, and the Indians put together. We have them. Why are we not using them? But because there was a civil war before, and we said we have forgiven ourselves, and now, but you are forgiving yourselves, but an Igbo man cannot become anything in Nigeria, cannot be president, cannot be trusted to be Inspector General of Police, cannot be trusted. Why? Look at Joe Biden. He has already appointed Nigerians into his government. Already. Before his inauguration, he already appointed Nigerians. He didn't say, because they say Nigerians, so they are very corrupt people, all those stupid, sentiments that people express against us. He appointed them. Why? He saw their talent. He appointed the first black man. Now, Pentagon has a new Secretary of Defense. He's a black man. In Nigeria, you say an Igbo man cannot be Inspector General of Police, an Igbo man cannot be Chief of Army Staff, an Igbo man. Why? So if you don't want them, if you don't trust them, and they say they want to go, then so why are you then stopping them? Why are you stopping them? You don't want me, and you are saying, even slaves got freedom. These are people contributing to world economy, not just, and listen, not Nigerian economy. The Igbos are contributing to world economy. There is no country I have been, I will not find an Igbo man either at the peak of academia, at the peak of business, at the peak of professions. They are everywhere. medical doctors, surgeons, lawyers, bankers, they are everywhere. And then we come back to Nigeria, you are discriminating against them. And you are saying they will not agitate for their own nation. We are the ones causing the problem. If you want an Igbo man, then bring them nearer and see if they will not perform. In this Lagos today where we live, anything we want to do now, innovation, the first thing is, let's go to computer village. Who are the people controlling computer village? Let's go to Alaba. Who are the people controlling Alaba? Do you think people with empty brains can control those things that the Igbos control? Even with all this fight, Biafra, if you go to Kano today, without the Igbo selling spare parts, nobody will function. All the cars there will come to stand still. You go to Sokoto, you will meet them there. Go to Borno, go to Iraq, go to Afghanistan, you see Igbo man doing great.
Shebuna don't hear am. As this one they happen, come here with Simon Ekpa. The message when send go give Nigeria government. Just watch am as we come back. Come continue.
I am not a pushover, and I believe Nigeria have seen that. If you think that Simon Ekpa is somebody you can push over, then you don't know me. I am here to end Tinubu. I am here to end Nigeria. I am here to end the Usman Danfodio legacy. I will end it. The people who have ended it in their different countries doesn't have to end. I am going to be more than any of all those people who have fought freedom, including Gandhi. I am here to be more than Gandhi. Gandhi did not even fight the kind of demons that we have in Nigeria. Nelson Mandela did not fight the kind of demons that we have in Nigeria. And so I brought out myself, I'm well cooked for this particular freedom. So anybody thinking that Simon Ekpa is going down, you don't know what is coming. You still have a long way to go. I will be here to finish this job, and by December, I will issue a declaration for the restoration of the independent state of Biafra, and the flag of Biafra will rise very, very high all over the world. That day, every liaison office all over the world of Biafra will rise the Biafra flag very, very high. We will raise it very, very high from homeland to all over the world. And then after that, the diplomatic battle will begin for recognition of Biafra government.
My wonderful people, welcome back. Be small things. Maybe you don't watch the video here as it did they happen for inside that area. Do you know that the Nigerian army don't come outside today? Can't give us the information. Can't they tell us say that as it be like this now, they don't buy some IPOB members and they don't buy some ESN, and the IPOB don't come outside. They come declare that this message is false, that no man of ESN was lost. They no scratch, even dent in their body. That this is a totally lie, and tell the Nigeria military to stop kidnapping Igbo youth and killing Igbo youth. My people, you don't read though. Say these people about last 2 weeks we'll be bringing videos telling you what is happening in Olo, in Imo State, how these people are be killing Igbo youth everywhere, tagging them ESN. This is the people they are claiming that they buy for inside the streets. Why that this is just Nigeria, that's the Igbo youth, the Nigeria militaries are buying everywhere, and then now they have come outside for them to justify the killings in Igbo land, for them to justify it. They now tag them the IPOB and the ESN. My people, you don't read. The Igbos should wake up. The Biafrans should wake up to end all this nonsense once and for all. That is my only thing that I have to contribute. Guys, don't forget to contribute and drop your own opinion in the comment section as it is hot.